Got an idea but staring at a blank page? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to turn a single topic into a fully researched, editable article with citations, images, and one-click sharing all inside YouMind. Now let's start with a topic. I'll go ahead and type in 5 AI product trends worth watching in the second half of 2026 into the input box. Now make sure the right tab is selected, then pick the model that you'd like to use. Now I'll go with the default, then hit send. Now YouMind automatically searches for sources and starts writing the article for you. There's no prompts to fine tune, no copying and pasting, it just gets to work. When it's done, click the generate article. The preview on the right is your finished piece, title, intro, body sections, conclusion, all editable. Now, here's something you don't see in most AI writers. Every claim is backed by a citation. Click any citation and you'll see exactly where the data comes from. No hallucinated facts, your readers can actually trust every single word. Now, let's refine. Go back to the article, highlight any section and click task. An ask anything box pops up. Now I'll type add case studies, but you can also ask for anything like expand, summarize, change the angle. YouMind generates the case studies in the left panel and the article on the right updates automatically. Now once you're happy with the results, click accept all to apply all of the changes. Now here's another trick. Select any paragraph, then switch to a different model in the left input box. Now I'll ask you to write this section in a more conversational tone. Same article, different brain. You're never locked into one model. And you can also add visuals. Select a paragraph, choose an image model, and either hit send or type a specific prompt. Like, create a hand-drawn style illustration. Now, once the image is generated, hover over it and click Insert to Page to drop it right into your article. Of course, you can always edit the text directly, just select any section and use the inline formatting options. You can change the style, translate a passage, or convert it into a task. Now, once the article is finished, open the Style menu in the top left corner. You can switch the background theme, change the font, or translate the entire article into another language. Now, when you're ready to publish, click Share in the top right corner to get a public link, or click the menu to rename the document. Export it as PDF or a Markdown, or even publish it directly to WeChat or X. So that's the full workflow. One idea in, a polished article out, with sources, edits, images, styling, and sharing all in one place. So stop chatting with your ideas and start writing them. YouMind.